Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering Taekwondo. This dynamic martial art originated over 2,000 years ago in Korea. Initially, it was a self-defense tool for warriors. Its name means the way of the foot and fist, highlighting its focus on kicks and punches. Today, it's a global martial art practiced by millions. Its longevity is a testament to its relevance, from ancient combat to modern sports. Each technique carries a rich legacy, a story of resilience and adaptation. Now let's get with mastering the basics. Have you ever marveled at the seamless moves of Taekwondo masters and wondered how they make it look so effortless? Taekwondo, a martial art originating from the Korean peninsula, is more than just combat. It's a form of exercise and sport. Its essence lies in understanding its rich, diverse history and mastering the basic techniques. It's a harmonious fusion of self-defense moves, well-structured forms, and a competitive edge that sets it apart. It's a journey of self-discovery, discipline, and physical fitness. Not just a martial art, it's a lifestyle that enhances mind-body coordination. So strap in as we journey through time to the origin of Taekwondo, before delving into its world and breaking down some fundamental techniques into easy-to-follow steps. As we transition from understanding the history and basics of Taekwondo, it's crucial to realize that Taekwondo is not just a martial art, it's a way of life. Taekwondo's core lies in its 5 tenets: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, and an indomitable spirit. These tenets guide character development and personal growth. Courtesy is about respect. Integrity is living by ethical standards, means never surrendering. Self-control is managing emotions, and an indomitable spirit represents unyielding willpower. Besides physical training, Taekwondo also emphasizes mental discipline and respect. It isn't about raw power, but fostering. Always remember, the philosophy of Taekwondo is as important as the techniques. As we delve deeper into the technical aspects, keep these tenets in mind, for they form the bedrock upon which all else stands. First off, we focus on the basic stance, known as the ready stance or yukum sogi. This is the starting point for all Taekwondo practitioners. The essence of this stance lies in balance. Achieving balance is about evenly distributing your weight between your feet. Your posture should be upright and confident. Imagine a strong, sturdy tree standing tall, unaffected by the strong wind. That's what you should aim to replicate. Position your feet shoulder-width apart. This aids in maintaining stability and provides a solid base for your movements. Let your hands hang at your belt level, relaxed yet ready. Don't clench your fists tight. Instead, keep them loosely curled, symbolizing readiness and control. Balance and the 2 main principles of yukum sogi are crucial in martial arts. They prepare you for both defensive and offensive moves. Remember, the goal is to be comfortable and ready to move. Next, we plunge into the intricate art and technique of the punch, also known as jirugi. In the realm of martial arts, this critical move demands precision and agility. So let's start by mastering the position, the ready stance. From here, you're all geared up to initiate the punch. Now extend one fist, powerful and determined, in a forward direction, while simultaneously pulling the other back with equal determination to the safety of your waist, a show of balance and symmetry. As you perform this synchronized dance of power, it is essential to master the art of rotating the that punches. This is not merely a physical move, it is a calculated maneuver where the punching hand rotates skillfully so the palm ends up facing the ground. In this riveting performance of strength, you will find that breathing is your rhythm. With every punch that you throw, let out a breath, a testament to your control and a reminder to your opponent of your unyielding power. Remember, at the core of this art is the key to both coordination and breath control. It's all about coordination and breath control. So why should you learn Taekwondo? This martial art provides numerous physical benefits. It's a full-body workout, increasing strength, flexibility, and balance. The mental benefits are equally noteworthy. Taekwondo fosters discipline, concentration, and self-confidence, enhancing your mental strength. It has social benefits too. It promotes respect, teamwork, and leadership skills. You often spar with partners, simultaneously developing teamwork and leadership. Taekwondo doesn't just offer physical fitness, but also personal growth. So whether you're looking to stay in shape, boost your confidence, or simply learn a new skill, Taekwondo might just be the martial art for you. Let's begin with the defining feature of Taekwondo, the kicks. The first kick we'll explore is the front kick, often referred to as apchagi. This move is ideal for beginners. To perform it, elevate your knee in front of your body, then swiftly extend your foot forward. Crucial to this move is a quick retraction of your foot, returning to your initial stance immediately. The key here is repetition. The more you practice, the better you'll become. The next we want to discuss is the turning kick, or dolyochagi. Initiate from a ready stance, turn your body to a side, raise your knee, then execute a swift kick. Balance and control are key throughout the entire motion, so keep practicing these fundamental moves. The defining feature of Taekwondo indeed, the kicks. At last, we delve into the captivating art of blocking, also known as maki. This Korean martial art form is a critical aspect of self-defense, embodying techniques used to fend off attackers. Its significance can't be overstated as it forms the backbone of numerous martial art forms. Among the many ranges of magi, we will focus on two, the are-magi and the an-magi. The intriguing are-magi, or the low block, is a frequently utilized defensive move that embodies the spirit of resilience and quick reflexes. It's a technique that starts from the ready stance, where you swiftly swing one arm down, akin to a pendulum, blocking an incoming low attack. Then there's the an-magi, a unique block that's equally important. This involves the dynamic movement of swinging your arm across your body, like a barrier springing into action, to block an attack aimed squarely at your torso. This technique requires precision, speed, and agility, all of which are key components of martial arts. The inner block, an-magi, involves swinging your arm across your body to block an attack aimed at your torso. Moving on, let's talk about the grading system in Taekwondo. Like many other disciplines, Taekwondo uses a belt system to denote proficiency levels. Starting with a white belt, you advance through yellow, green, blue, red, and reach black. Each color represents a stage in your journey. Yellow illuminates the path, green signifies growth, blue denotes aspirations, and red signifies nearing mastery. The black belt symbolizes full mastery of Taekwondo techniques. The progression from one rank to another involves testing your current skills and readiness to learn new ones. Remember, the journey from white belt to black belt is a journey of personal growth and mastery. It's not about how fast you get there, but how much you learn along the way. To wrap up, remember that Taekwondo is not just about physical strength, it's also about mental discipline and precision. Today, we've broken down the ready stance, the punch, the front kick, the turning kick, and the art of blocking. Each technique requires practice and patience to master, but with time and dedication, you too can make your moves look effortless, just like a Taekwondo master. So keep practicing, stay disciplined, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Finally, let's look at Taekwondo in the competitive arena. Taekwondo has been an official Olympic sport since the year 2000, showcasing the agility, strength, and discipline of athletes from around the world. Competitions in Taekwondo are divided into two main categories, sparring and patterns. Sparring, or gyorugi, is a free-form fight where athletes score points by landing kicks and punches on their opponent. Patterns, or pumse on the other hand, are preset sequences of movements that display the practitioner's precision, control, and understanding of Taekwondo techniques. In both categories, sportsmanship and respect are paramount. From bowing to the opponent before a match, to showing control in your strikes, Taekwondo competitions emphasize not just physical prowess, but also the mental discipline and respect for others that are at the core of this martial art. Whether you aspire to compete or just enjoy the art and discipline of Taekwondo, remember that it's a journey of learning, growth, and self-discovery. So keep practicing and enjoy the ride.